Hi, Sarah here. Are you looking to make a logo for your business? If you are, let's get started. Once you're in canva.com, come up here to templates and come here to logos. Once you come here, you'll find that there are a lot of different templates that you can choose from. I want an educational logo, but whatever your logo is, you can pick from here. If it's for gaming, if it's for church, if it's for computers, if it's for food. But in this tutorial, let's pick educational logo. Now let's scroll down to find any logo that we like. It's really very simple and quick. Okay, here I like this one. Let's customize this. I'm going to start by changing the background. I don't like that background. Let me change it. I like that. And let's change this element, the colors in this element. And let's change our text. Once you change the colors of the element on the top, you can change the text. Let's write something here, Juba Arabic, and let's change it to capital. And yeah, let's make sure it's, I think I like it. Let me change the color of this text. We can change the color of the text too if you will like. Let's find a color we can change our text to. And let's change the bottom text too. Juba Arabic Learning Center. I'm gonna change that to capital and to make it bold. And let's change the font. I don't like that font, so let's find a different font for it. Let's take this font. Let's change the color of the text. And let's move this text a little up. Now we are done with making our logo, and let's name our logo. Let's name it Juba Arabic Logo 6. I'm gonna just name it like that so it's easy for me to find it in my downloads. And yeah, let's download this logo so we can use it. First of all, I like to download my logos usually one PNG and one with transparent background. So let's download PNG first and then we can download one with transparent background. And yeah, that quick, our logo is already downloaded. Our PNG logo is downloaded. Let's download one with transparent background. And yeah, it's done. Now, if you go to your downloads or to your desktop, wherever you downloaded your logo, you're going to find it there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one.